Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and preparing for your next sessions. Today, we will discuss about the Indian political map. As India is located in the southern part of the Asia, it is the second largest country in the Southeast Asia. It is in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world as per the area and second largest in population count. India is also known as Indian Peninsula. A peninsula is any landmass which is surrounded by water on three sides and land on one side. As India is also surrounded by the Indian Sea in the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The northern part of India is surrounded by big mountain range known as Himalayas, which makes India unique because it includes the highest peaks of the world. The western part of India consists of the Great Indian Desert, also known as Thar Desert, which covers western Rajasthan.1India has very vast geographical area with land border of 15,106.7 kilometers and very lengthy coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers. India shares its borders with 9 countries, namely Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay, once again we will go through with the neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Maldives and Sri Lanka. India is also blessed with island groups of Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the east and the Lakshadweep Islands in the west. There are some interesting facts about international border of India. There are 9 countries sharing their borders with India. Afghanistan has the shortest boundary share with India. Bangladesh shares the longest boundary with India. China and Bangladesh shares their boundaries with 5 different Indian states. All these facts make Indian boundary a unique system which no other country has. Hope you have enjoyed the video. We will also send you the worksheets related to the same video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.